Hey guys, I play video games here, and I'm back for a game. This is Angry Birds Go. This is one of the games I will be playing on my channel, and yeah, so it's an iOS game, so let's get right into it. Haven't unlocked anything yet, just got it, and yeah, let's see. Okay, looks like okay. Okay, so let's see. I like to use the arrows, so yeah. Whee! So I'm guessing this is just telling me how to play. I already know how to play because I've played it before. Yeah. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, go subscribe to my other channel, MC Ender, which link will be in the description to subscribe. So yeah. Okay. So I guess it's just teaching us how to play the game. And then the power's right there. Sorry about no sound. I have to do something to fix that. There's no sound with the recording that I'm doing. So yeah. If you're wondering how I'm recording this, I'm recording on my computer. Which, yeah. And then, is that a new car? That black one all the way on the right? Okay. No. We'll probably most likely not win because we have the most crappiest car in the game. Okay, oh no! This car honestly has the worst handling. Yep. Okay. Oh. Okay, oh, got you out. Oh no, he got me. And faster, come on. Go! And let's do drift, because we're just like that. And yeah, stuff. Okay. So it looks like our car's been destroyed and such. Underground cave thing. Oh. Okay. Alright, so free. Let's see what other ones. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can only get 3. Let's see, I think I want... Yeah, I like this one. Let's go with that one. Alright, so let's do this. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay. Man, the sound would be so much more epic. Ooh, present, give me that. And then... Let's go. Whoa, okay, I know that. Sorry about that. Yes, I know that. Wait, hold on. I need to pause the game. Oh, no. Hold on. I need to check something. No, I'm still on Wi-Fi. Okay. And back up. And... Whee! Ugh. Oh, you can't turn in the air. That's stupid. Because I know in stun... I mean, not stun. Rocky Road, you can. And turn... See. Okay. So get some money. And open. And yeah. Okay. So 4 minutes in the video and a T-shed. Upgrades. Probably gonna buy that, maybe that. Okay, wasted all my money. That's good. Because no one gives a crap. And let's tap on him. I can make your car even better, but with upgrades. Yes, I know that. I can make your car. Okay, is that what you say? Your CC will increase your well, I didn't get to read it. Okay. Oh, okay. That's no. Okay, continue. And then this. Alright, here we go. Oh, this feels like Donkey Kong. I don't know why you have to dodge the stuff to get to the end. I don't know, it's just my theory, I guess. And then, okay, we're going. And then, that looks cool. Alright. Ooh. Well, okay, let's turn. And tell me guys in the comments below if you guys want me to use the coin doubler or not, because I can unlock it, because I already bought it, and I just need to install it. So yeah, just tell me if you guys want me to use the coin doubler for this episode. I won't use it, but actually yes, let's do it. Actually no, I won't, because I don't want to show you guys my password and such. Okay. Okay. Oh, the fruit challenge. Oh, go. We'll probably do all 4 of these race things, and then we'll probably upgrade a car, and I guess we'll call that an episode of Angry Birds Go. And if you guys are liking the series, I'll continue on more. And yeah, tell me if you guys want me to do more Angry Birds, like original Angry Birds or Angry Birds seasons, or yeah, all that stuff. Tell me if you guys want me to do that, and then I'll be glad to answer your thoughts and such. Oh, get him, get him, and scare. Oh yeah, success. Okay. Oh, I just dropped my thing. Plug my charger. There we go. Okay, that's it. Alright. So, we'll probably upgrade our car. Full speed, acceleration. Oh. Yeah, I guess that's all we can upgrade. And then I guess we'll do this for last, and then we can end the episode here. And yeah. So, go. Oh no! Come on, we're a beginner. You don't have to do that to me. He's cheap little scum. Let's catch up to him. Oh no! Ah crap! Frick. Continue. Oh, sweet, his things went out. I've actually never unlocked the Corporal Pig before. I've unlocked. Actually, no, I've only unlocked before I started this gameplay. Before I had to restart the app because I wanted to do it for you guys. And plus, I don't really care. So, yeah. I think I got up to Hall. I'm not sure. I think, because I remember playing as him a lot. So, yeah, I think I got up to him. And then, yeah, so I guess we'll just get this money and upgrade. If we can. Can we? Yeah, we can. Okay. So, that will do it for this episode of Angry Birds Go. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the series, tell me down below if you do. And comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.